Chameleons are among the most fascinating creatures in nature, known for their remarkable ability to change color. This ability is not only used for blending into their surroundings but also for expressing their emotional state, communicating with others, and regulating their body temperature. Special cells in their skin reflect light in different ways, enabling these color changes. For example, a chameleon may turn darker when stressed, while during mating season, it can shift to brighter and more attractive hues. This captivating skill is a crucial strategy that enhances their chances of survival in the wild.
There are more documentaries on my channel, check it out.